Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY Father's Day gifts. Also, I do have merch. I'm wearing one of these shirts right now. This shirt says Eat, Sleep, Create, Repeat, and sorry, that was my chair. This is one of the designs. I really like it a lot, and if you guys use the code Alyssa10, you will receive 10% off your order. The website will be below. It's just alyssaruby.com. So without further ado, let's get started with this DIY Father's Day gifts video. So for this first DIY, all you're going to need is a mason jar as well as some burlap, these Scrabble wooden tiles, and I got mine from Amazon. You will also need ribbon, a hot glue gun, and some hot glue sticks, and some paper and a pen or a pencil. I'm just using index cards for the paper. So all you're going to do is cut out a piece of burlap that fits your mason jar, and then you're just going to hot glue it to the mason jar. Next, I'm just hot gluing the Scrabble wooden tiles onto the mason jar, and you can spell out whatever you want. I just spell out the word dad, and now I'm just tying a piece of ribbon to the mason jar and cutting off the excess. And next, I'm just writing some activities that I can do with my dad on these little pieces of paper. So I said we could go to Panera or Starbucks, or we could go hiking or something like that. You could just write whatever activities you want, and they can be free activities, and then you can fold them up and place them in the mason jar, and that is about it. This was super easy to make, pretty affordable. I had all of these supplies already except for these Scrabble wooden tiles, and you can buy them in bulk on Amazon, so it's pretty cheap. And by the way, all of these DIYs are Pinterest inspired, so I will go ahead and link below the blogs that I found them on. So for the second DIY, all you're going to need is a small paper wooden bag. Wooden bag, what? I just meant a paper bag. Okay, next you're going to need a Sharpie, a glue stick, and this free printable. I found this on Pinterest. Like I said, links will be below. And you will also need some sort of baked treat. Just really anything you want. These shortbread cookies are my dad's favorite, so I just use these. So all I'm doing is cutting out the shapes from the printable and then gluing them onto the paper bag. And I just think a regular Elmer's glue stick works best for this because hot glue could get pretty messy, and yeah, this is just the easiest and it dries pretty quickly. And also, if you don't want to print these out, you could just draw them onto the bag. And next, I'm just writing out Dad's secret stash onto the bag using my Sharpie. And yeah, I just thought this was super cute. I saw this on Pinterest, and do you guys get it? Like, it's a secret stash of cookies or whatever treats you put in the bag, and then there's a mustache on the bag. Yeah, it's a punny gift, but it's cute. For the last DIY, all you're going to need is paint in the color of your choice. I'm just using this navy blue acrylic paint, and that is my dad's favorite color. So next you're going to need Mod Podge, some foam brushes, and wooden letters that spell out dad. And next you're going to need some pictures. So I printed out these pictures on photo paper. All I'm doing is painting all of the wooden letters with the blue acrylic paint. And I just really like this DIY because I printed out a bunch of pictures from when I was younger, so I kind of showed myself growing up. And you could definitely print out pictures of like you and your siblings or really anything you want. So all I'm doing is placing Mod Podge on the back of the pictures and then placing them on the wooden letters. And I started by placing pictures of me from like middle school, and then I started placing pictures from like high school. So I don't know, I just thought this was really cool, like showing me growing up. And this is what it turned out to look like once it dried, and you probably want to apply another layer of Mod Podge on top of this just so that the pictures stay. You don't have to do this though. This turned out perfectly fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe down below if you're new, and turn on the bell for notifications so that you know when I post a new video. Also, I just want to let you guys know that I am posting 2 times a week for the rest of June, and I will be posting 3 times a week in July. So for the rest of June, I'll be posting every Tuesday, Saturday. So more videos are coming. If you guys have any video requests, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and I'm gonna